Hey, what's up guys? I have a on Roku TV. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, I just got it. So first thing is when you go to get started, just go ahead and choose your language. You can click on OK or click on the right button. Go ahead and choose your region. We're going to set this one up as a home use. We're going to set up the wireless or the Wi-Fi internet connection. I'm going to move over to the right, set up a new wireless connection, click on OK here, let it search all the wireless networks in your area. Here's mine right here, number 57. Go ahead and enter your password here. After you put in password, just go all the way down, highlight connect, click on OK on the remote, let it connect. Hopefully that's the correct password. All right, looks like it's good. Going to check for a software update here. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. You can see the progress. Once the update is complete, it'll restart the TV. All right, it's restarting now. Now we need to go ahead and activate this TV here. You need to go to this URL, roku.com/link, and then enter this code. You can do this on a computer or your phone or tablet or even an iPad. So here we go. Oops, sorry. So here it is here, www.roku.com/link, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and tap on go here. Now you will have to sign in, okay, into your Roku account, or you just have to make one, all right? So now they're asking me to put a link code in here, which is the 69G or JG, okay, 69GJ. Let's click on submit. Okay, they're asking me to sign in my email and password to my Roku account. Password and all that is in. It's going to click on sign in. Now I get this here, name your device. You can name it something else. Also, you want to go ahead and choose wherever yours is located. You can always change this like later on. It doesn't really matter. So this one here, I'll just choose living room. That's fine. I'll click on done here. Click on continue. And then right here, let's answer some questions to find your personalized channels and offers. I'm going to skip that. Here's some additional channels that you can add right here. Whatever you want to add, you can add it now, or you can do it later on. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to click on continue from here. Maybe I'll add it some later on. Who knows? Then we come to here, and as soon as I get to this page, now automatically I can see the channel updating automatically. And then on your phone, you can just go all the way down to the very bottom here, tap on continue. Now here's some other things. The only thing I would really advise is, you can go ahead and download the Roku mobile app. Basically replaces the your remote control. Very super handy. I already have it on this phone, so I don't need to install it. Anyway, with the app, setup is complete here. Let me go ahead and wait for this to update here. And this Roku page on your computer or phone, you can just close it out. Just waiting for this to get done, the update now. Okay, so channel update is complete. Now it says let's connect your devices. Go ahead and click on enter. Now from here, you can go ahead and connect your devices to the TV, like your cable box, your PS4, Xbox, and then turn them on, and then you can go ahead and tap on everything is plugged in and turned on, or you can simply do this later. I'm just going to click on do this later. I'll hook up my PS4 later. So okay, all done. Go ahead and click on you can click on enter or click on the right button. And now, all right, here we go. We are finally in business. Now, time for me to sign in Netflix and watch some shows. Anyway, you're all set. Good luck, guys.